Welcome to Field Guide to DIY. This is part 3 of our Farmhouse Table with Breadboard Ends build. We cheated a little bit. We went with the Osborne Timeless Trestle Pedestal legs. This is a great product and I could not have done it myself. We started off with conditioner that made these pine legs match the red oak top. We then applied 1 coat of Minwax Jacobin stain. We wiped off the stain almost immediately. Unfortunately, we didn't capture it on video, but we did a 220 grit sanding after the stain, wiping it off with tack cloth before applying Minwax polyurethane. We let that cure for 24 hours before assembly. Really? You're gonna make us watch you put on each foot one at a time? Come on, let's pick up the pace here. To make sure the pedestal base was attached evenly, I drove the lag bolts as if I was attaching lug nuts on a tire. Be sure to click like and subscribe so you don't miss the next episode of Field Guide to DIY. Thanks for watching.